I'm gonna go ahead and say it, the iPhone 15 is the best iPhone released in the last couple of years, but no matter how good a phone is these days, you're always gonna need a little bit more to really ramp up your phone experience. And that's why I've gathered a few of my favorite accessories for the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, or the 15 Pro that you can use to add a little bit of spice and functionality to your phone. And a few are from longtime channel sponsor MagBak. First up is a USB-C dock that can literally fit in your pocket. This dock is a bit of a retro accessory, looking like an old school mechanical keyboard. The RayCue dock has a bunch of ports, including an SD card slot, USB 3.0 slots, USB-C, HDMI, and more. If you ever want to use your iPhone to connect to like multiple SSDs or an HDMI display, this is a very convenient way to do so, and it doesn't really cost that much. Next up is a case from today's sponsor, MagBak. This case has constantly been my favorite accessory for Apple devices, largely because it is the strongest magnet you're going to find on an iPhone, meaning that you can stick it to any metal surface. Your fridge can now be your tripod for FaceTime calls and making shorts or TikToks and more. The case has a really nice design and is air cushioned for that added level of protection. It also has a camera lip and overall feels really sturdy in the hand. What I like most about it being such a strong magnet is that it really works well with other MagSafe accessories, and it also works really well with a wallet. I have a tan wallet that allows you to carry up to 6 cards and cash. It also has a finger loop for making sure your phone stays in your hand. It's made out of top grain leather and has RFID shielding for protecting your cards. I generally like how the wallet and case combo look together, and if you want to pick one up, check the link below in my description. This one is a cool little accessory that can make your footage look less like an iPhone and more like Michael Bay's. This clip-on lens goes over your iPhone 15 lenses and allows you to add a cinematic lens flare to your footage. It also has multi-coated glass, which means the footage looks quality and everything just looks really crisp. Footage with this overall looks way better, and this is something that I would highly recommend for like the iPhone 15 Pro, especially with that log footage. Staying on the topic of content creation, next up is the Rode Wireless Go 2. Audio is the most important aspect of a video. That's why I really recommend the Rode Wireless Go 2. The Rode Wireless Go 2 is wireless, as the name suggests. And yeah, it's a microphone from Rode, and you can plug in directly to your iPhone through USB-C to level up your audio game. And you can connect it directly to your shirt, meaning you can be further away from the iPhone if that's your thing. Now, if you're still on the market for some reason for a wallet, then you might want to check out the Snap-On Wallet from Moft. This wallet comes in a bunch of colors, but I like the tan one the most. It can hold up to 3 cards when you're on the go, but what I really like about it is that it has a kickstand functionality. So let's say that you use your iPhone a lot at your desk. It makes it a lot easier to watch content and kind of angle your phone a little bit better and more comfortable for that ultimate viewing experience. I have the iPhone 15 Plus. It has a really large display, and it's really good for watching content. So yeah, the Moft Snap-On case definitely enhances my watching experience, and it's a wallet, so that's pretty clutch. Last but not least is a charger from Ugreen. This is the Nexode 65-watt charger, and it's a 3-port charger that comes with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. It can output up to 65 watts, as the name suggests, and it can even charge your M2 MacBook Air if you have one. If you think about it, this really small and tiny charger can charge a MacBook Air and your iPhone 15 at the same time. It has a foldable prong and it keeps it compact. Oh, and yeah, it charges my iPhone 15 pretty damn fast. Anyways, those are my top iPhone 15 accessories. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.